Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 Mini and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Ohelf application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on devices or device icon to open the device page, and here find the option called More and tap on it. Then find the option called or button called Unpair, tap on it, then tap on Unpair. The watch will disappear from the device page. We can close the app now. You can also check the Bluetooth settings on your phone. So let's open the Bluetooth settings, and here check if on the list of previously connected devices the watch is here. It shouldn't be, but in some cases it might be, and if it was here, tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget or remove to remove it from this list. And then you can close the settings, and as you can see the watch is resetting to the factory default settings, and once it's done you will see the animation on the screen. And basically that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.